How over torqued is the drain plug? 2010 Honda CR-V. My guess is 64. Nope. Okay. 71 foot-pounds on the drain plug. It's supposed to be 30 foot-pounds. And I have found that properly torqued drain plugs tend to break free at less than 30 foot-pounds. So that feels like absolute trash. Looks like trash. And that's some chalky milk going on there. It's actually the incorrect washer. It's not even a crush washer. And we have a random rubber seal on here as well. So that's nice. New washer. Proper crush washer. Let's see if we can loosen this with our bare fucking hands. Son of a bitch. Got some Lyle oil filter pliers. Link in bio. And we got quite the amount of seepages going on here. Possible seepage from the oil filter housing. Notice the steering rack seeping from both end seals. And this bellow boot is torn wide open. Come over here and oil seepage in this quadrant is likely the chain case, the valve cover, and the spool valve seal up there. Both rear struts are seeping. Yeah. So that's a rear hub bearing. Destroyed. Front wheel drive. So that sucks for not me, but for the customer. Take this oil filter off. OTC Drain Plug Pro Magneto on a stick. Also, link in bio. Down a glove. Earl's looking pretty clean, honestly. It's just being seeped out from every crevice of the vehicle. So, anyway, new filter for you, bud. Take a sample of this old, very clean oil. And we're gonna thread that on here. And you don't want to over tighten this, so just take a deep breath and just hand tight. Yeah! Trip flip. Good form. We're getting crazy with the ratchet flips. Alright, tighten her on up. 30 foot-pounds. And this situation's kind of a lost cause here, so we're gonna call that good. Raggy poo, quick little wipe down. Ow. Yes. 4.5 KT quarts. That's garbage. And we're gonna momentarily install new gloves for you, bud. Hey, come on, let's go, come on. All right, hopefully we got some nice golden flow for you today, buds. And we do. Good flow. Very beautiful. And we pivot, and we tilt, and we're done. Cappuchingus. Cap. Oh, Chingus. Momentarily done with that glove. Hey, shut up. And you. I had enough out of you. Ooh, and then hit your shin on the fucking lift. Whoo! That's fine. I'm fine. It's alright. I wouldn't worry about it. Valvoline. Go away. Bing. Raggy poo. And we're just gonna give this a nice little check. This one's gonna be a pretty satisfying pressure wash. She's a dirty girl. Oil level looks good. We like that. And we are still waiting for Rex, so I'm going to do this in my bay. Rafiki.